everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a review from Shea Moistures. I've never used this product before, and this product was sent to me through by a friend. Now, her and her husband use it. He said he liked it, and she does too. They also use the raw shea butter line as well. And she's been using this particular line for the past year now, or maybe almost a year now. She told me it has been out a while. And I am speaking about the Shea Moistures Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Conditioner. It says it hydrates and restore, and it also is for extremely dry, brittle hair. My hair is not extremely dry or brittle, but I did tell you guys in another video last week about using products that is formulated for dry, brittle hair, okay, because that would give you extra moisture. So I did use this. I did a washing on today as well. My hair needed a deep cleanse, my scalp and hair, so I used my clarifying shampoo, and this is going to be my deep conditioner. Normally I would use the raw shea butter around this time, or either my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist, but I'm going to use this. This one, she sent this to me. I had it for a month now, and she had called me up and told me, why you haven't did a review yet? I had been sent that to you. So I'm doing this today, okay? I'm doing this today. So I've never used this before. I have seen a quite few reviews on this, not so many in the relaxed community, but more so in the natural community or Texlax community. I have seen that. I am subscribed to at least 15, 16 women that are natural, and maybe a handful of those women use this and they like the product. But I never thought about buying other products, but she wanted me to use it because she told me that I would like it. So it did go on smooth. I have it in my hair right now. It did go on very smooth. The product is very thick. It's really, really thick. And it smells really nice. I like that. It smells nice, and it seems like it's going to linger. Now, if you guys have been with me for quite some time, you know I love to smell my products well after I wash my hair. So it's not a very strong smell. It just seems like it's going to last me for a couple of days. Maybe, if I turn a certain way or a movement, I can just, get a breeze of that. I can smell it. So I love that. I mean, even if it lasts all week, I love that. My husband loves to smell my hair. My grandbabies, the smaller ones, they love to smell my hair and my neck. So yeah, but thus far it did go on very smooth. Okay, it did give me some slip. All right, it's really soft, but I'm going to go under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to leave this on for another 30 minutes, which would be an hour, and then I will come back and I will give you more details on this product right here. And will I buy it or not? It depends on how soft my hair is, if it doesn't feel dry or anything of that sort when I'm air drying, because normally when I air dry, my hair is really soft, and that's what I love about that. It looked like I did a flat ironing or a blow dry and put oil on it, but we'll see. Okay, so meet me back here in 1 hour, and I will give you full details on this product. Okay, I just took my hair down, and my hair feels soft. It does feel soft. So what I'm going to do now is rinse this out, and then once my hair starts to dry, because you guys know I air dry, once it gets maybe 50% dry, maybe 65, I'll come back, and then that way you can see. I'm not going to put any products on my hair. I want to see if it's moving, like flowing, and I don't put any products in my hair until I get at least 75% dry. Okay, and then that's when I like to add my products to my hair. Okay, so let me wash this out. Rinse this out, and then I'm tired, y'all. It's been a long week. I can go to sleep right now. So let me rinse this out, and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, this is my final thought on this conditioner. And once again, it's the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair conditioner, and it is formulated for extremely dry and brittle hair. Okay, now when I first put it on, it went on very smooth. All right, I kept it on for 30 minutes under my hooded dryer. I did test my hair to see how my ends felt and my roots. They felt really hydrated and moisturized and very soft. All right, once I took it down, you guys didn't see that, but I did come back to the camera and combed it a little bit, and I was touching it. My hair felt amazingly soft from root to end. Right now, my hair is about 80% dry, and from root to end, it feels soft. Now, back here in the back, it's just a little wet on the ends back here, but all of this feels very, very soft. Okay, I'm loving it. Will I purchase it? If I think about it, I probably will. I don't really see this as much where I stay, where the shops that I go to go get them, Walgreens and Sally's. I don't really see them that much, but if I do see it, I will probably pick it up and use it as a deep conditioner for the winter time because it's very thick and it coats my hair very well, my hair strands, and they leave my hair, it's leaving my hair very soft, and that's what I like. So in the wintertime, I do go just a tad heavier to coat my hair strands for the brutal cold that we have here in Wisconsin, but my hair is very soft. It really is. And I'm going to finish this up. Okay, she was right. Thank you. All right. And I'll talk with you a little bit. Thank you. Yeah, so it is soft. She was right about that. But I have no negative things to say about this. I've never really thought about using this. Like I said, I only seen a few reviews from the women that are natural, just a few, and they did like this product. But I never thought about, because the products that I have, they're working for me. I never thought about going out buying other products. But like I said, this was sent to me from my girlfriend. And her and her husband use it. He likes it. She likes it too. And they do use the raw shea butter line as well. And this one. So yeah, it's a keeper. It's a keeper. If I think about it, I'll get it. You know, if I do repurchase it or purchase it because it was sent to me, I didn't buy it, I'll let you guys know. Okay. So yeah. So thank you guys so much. Today is Friday. When you see this video, it will be Tuesday. So I hope and pray that you guys are having a wonderful weekend. And I hope that you are having a marvelous week. Okay. So thank you until next time. God bless you. Bye.